Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-350 Platinum Ultimate equipped with the FX4 off-road package. On the front end of the vehicle we have our full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights and fog lights. Under the hood sits a 6.7 liter PowerStroke turbo diesel engine that produces 450 horsepower and 935 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped is an aftermarket 4-inch lift kit and 20-inch aluminum wheels. Also equipped are heated power folding and extending tow mirrors with a blind spot alert, as well as keyless entry, and our power running boards. Moving to the back of the vehicle we have our park assist sensors as well as our power tailgate and trailer hitch receiver. This F-350 has a towing capacity up to 18,000 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our automatic headlight controls with the automatic high beams. This F-350 is also equipped with a panoramic sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as OEM all-weather floor mats, as well as a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert with brake support, adaptive cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is push-button start, and a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and 360-degree backup camera. Equipped brake comfort are dual-zone climate controls as well as lane keep assist. And on the vehicle's key fob we have remote start and entry buttons. And finally moving to the back of the vehicle we have our heated 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.